Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be using this extreme tire foam on my 2020 Pathfinder's wheels. Let's get cooking. Let's see what these guys can do with these this tire foam. It's supposed to be not only supposed to clean, but it's also supposed to give you extreme shine. So let's see. You want to apply a even coat all the way around. What I like to do is I like to start off on the inside and then work my way on the outside and then give it a second round. Here we go. To 7 minutes, and you can already see a major difference. One of the other benefits about using this is one, you just spray it on, you don't have to wipe it off or anything. But also this one, compared to the other ones that are not foaming, in my opinion, when you apply the other type of a wet look products to your tires, it leaves like an oily residue, and no matter how long you leave it to dry, when you start driving, some of this residue is going to come over here. What I've noticed is that with these type of products, the foaming type, it doesn't do it as much. It'll still do it, but it won't do it as much. But I'll put up a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see the before and after. But yes, it gives it a really nice shine. I do have this product on the description below, a link to Amazon if you guys are interested in getting some for your own car. But thank you for watching. This has been The Smoking Beard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.